Well, how's it going, guys? I'm Rich Carroll, and I got my new grill here from Goldens. Goldens Foundry in Columbus, Georgia. We're going to give it a try. I've heard a lot of stuff about it. You see I got two grills over there, and they do pretty good. I like the gas grill. Sometimes I'll do the charcoal, but not a whole lot. But I do like the convenience of gas, but I've heard that this really makes the food taste really, really good. So we're going to give it a try today. We'll be back shortly, and we're going to fire it up, and we're just going to see. Nice heavy-duty cast iron grates here. Let's get this guy out. This is a searing plate. Get this out. And we'll get our charcoal and load it up. We're going to add some lump charcoal. This would be enough. It's very nice. Get our airflow going. This will help this thing start up. The more airflow, the faster it burns. I got it open all the way.
All the way.
Yeah,
Okay.
you want to go, when you're lighting it, you want it all the way.
So where's your temperature at? Temperature is just below 200.
Well, if you close this off,
it'll heat up.
Probably go up to about 300. Let's just see. But when you close it, the air off, you want the air right now.
Yeah.
The air is important to light it.
Yeah.
Then when you start cooking, then you can close the air. You can adjust it. You know, this right here, adjust your heat. You want to close this off whenever you're cooking. If you leave that open, you leave this open, it's gonna cook way too fast.
Way too fast.
Yeah, you wanna close it off and just kind of slow cook it, get that flavor.
Well, what you gonna cook?
Got some fresh dog from the neighbor. That damn dog's been bothering me. Chopped it up last night, marinated it. It's good. Now we're gonna have some pork. Want some pork with Hawaiian pork. Really good.
Sounds good.
Sweet and salty. And
Okay.
have some chicken, shrimp. I actually caught the shrimp myself.
Did you really?
No, I did.
Oh,
I just
okay.
made that up.
I was almost impressed.
No. But anyway, it's gonna be good. Be some good cooking.
It's good.
Cooking.
It's a good looking grill.
I'm excited.
Yeah. So you've never used one before? You just use gas grills?
Always use gas. Always use gas. I got a little charcoal guy over there, but
You used to have one of those big
barrel
grills.
The barrel. Yeah, the barrel. It does okay, but this, we're gonna find out in just a minute how good this thing's gonna do. I like it. It's heavy. Looks like a nuclear bomb. It's pretty nice. Very nice.